seemed to be no end to this harsh reality. Countless lost apologies crumbling in her mind, but this time she goes, I'm gonna get there no matter what. No, it's not hard when you have thoughts. But then she gets off her knees, brushes off the dust, rising back in a beam of facing not hold down. She just gets back up, rising back in a beam of facing She takes a knee and puts it above. Figures he was always there when she seemed to need love, and the people watch and stare. But she's had enough, and it's time. When she seemed too much, lived too much. And everything she ever loved was always out of touch. But then